Good morning. Sometimes it happens that you look at your carpet or your rug and you notice there's a bit of an odd color difference in areas. And today I am here to tell you a little bit more what caused that and explain it to you on what can be done and what can't be done. My name is Pierre, here with Art of Clean, and today we're talking about pile reversal. So me and the team have just pulled some rugs out of the drying room and we noticed this beautiful rug. But what you can see here is there's a lighter area and there's a darker area on the rug. And these areas have been caused by what we call pile reversal or pooling. Now, can this be corrected? Unfortunately, the news is most cases, no, it won't. And sometimes what happens is you have a dirt build up over time on either your carpet or your rug, and that hides that the color difference. And you don't notice it until that item is cleaned, and then what you see is the color difference even more prominent. So today I want to show you how we can identify whether that's pile reversal, because if we know it's pile reversal, we know it's not soiling, which gives you more peace of mind to know at least your item is clean. So if you look carefully in this area, which for you might look lighter, now for me it looks darker, and I'll explain in a moment why. What we've got is a piece of paper and a round pen. What I do is take the pen, roll it on the carpet. You'll notice this paper moves in a certain direction. No matter what way I roll it, you will notice that it moves in a certain direction. So it's coming towards me. And that keeps coming, no matter which way I roll this pen, it keeps rolling this way. Now if, Matt, you can move your camera over this side, and then I'll show you what happens here is if I roll this, notice that it goes that way. No matter what way I turn my pen, you'll see that this paper keeps rolling in a certain direction. So what happens here is this pile is laying down that way, and it has decided to turn just here, and this pile is lying this way. What I always like to say is, imagine this is your cat, the head is there, the tail is there, you give it a stroke, the pile lies down just like the fur on a cat. Over here, what we see is the pile lying down that way, so the head is here, the tail is there, you stroke it down that way. And that's what we call pile reversal, and as I mentioned earlier, can't be corrected, and sometimes the soiling will cover it, clean it, and suddenly it appears. Thank you so much for your time. You have a good day.